is this. A lot of people have been asking me what is this and why I always carry it around. Well, these are called traction boards or sand ladders or max tracks depending on who you ask. These are very handy off-road and can really save the day if you're stuck. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use these sand ladders and how to get out of sticky situations using these. So come along and let's go find a sandy stretch where we can put this to good use. Okay, so here we are, a nice secluded sandy stretch of beach where we can put the sand ladders to use. So as the name suggests, sand ladders can be useful to climb out of sand if you're stuck in a sandy stretch, which means we need to get stuck first to be able to use it. So I will drive up and down this sandy stretch in 4 high to see and look for difficult spots where the Gurkha could get stuck. Let's go look for trouble. We have been driving around and this soft sand doesn't seem to be a real challenge for the Gurkha. It is just refusing to get bogged down. The problem is the tide is coming in and I'm running out of width of sand to actually drive on. So I will need to find a place soon where I can show you how the sand ladders work. Let me try this soft stretch of sand beyond the tidal range, because the wet sand is pretty caked up, so it is giving me some traction. This soft sand here should be perfect for getting stuck. It is ironic that today we want to get stuck, but the Gurkha is not letting us down at all. I will try it in 2 high. Finally got out of 4H and drove around in this soft part of the sand, and I have managed to sink in my rear wheels deep into the sand. We are officially stuck. Let me see if I can get some wheel spin. Yes, wheel spin. Got wheel spin. The rear wheels are dug in nice and deep. Let me try to wriggle out of it in reverse. I shouldn't be able to, but I will still try. Nope, we are bogged down. We are bogged down officially. We are not going anywhere. Time to summon the sand ladders. So these sand ladders are no rocket science. They are just traction boards with knobby lugs on them. They are a bit curved, as you can see up here close, and they have small studs on them which will help you to get some traction for the wheels. Let's take a moment to enjoy this beautiful setting. So let's walk around and assess the situation. As expected, both the rear wheels are sunk in nice and deep. The front wheels appear to have some kind of traction still left in them. Let's check it out. Yeah, so the rear wheels have indeed dug in quite nicely. Here they are, buried in the sand. Let's check out how the front wheels are doing. The front wheels are still not bogged down completely. I reckon the Gurkha will still get us out. If I switch to 4 low, it should wriggle us out without any problem. Here the left rear wheel is also dug up, but for the purpose of demonstration, I will not engage 4 low. We will use only the sand ladders to get out. Let's see how to do that. So you'll see that the sand ladders have the track on one side and the other side is hollowed out. So you can use the curved ends of the sand ladder like a spade and dig yourself out a little. So my son, who is also my spotter, has volunteered to scoop us out. Just like he's doing, just clear out some sand from the front of the tires, which is preventing its movement ahead. Of course, your life can be a whole lot easier if you remember to pack a shovel, in which case just dig, scoop and clear it up. What a fine day and place to get stuck.
You're done?
The next step is to actually position the traction boards. So you want to get it snug in front of the wheels in the direction you intend to move. Just like he's showing now, you want to poke it underneath the wheel and pack it up nicely, preferably at an angle. Because it's a sand ladder, you want your wheel to climb on and out of the pit and not just move ahead. That's why it's at an angle. You want your wheels to engage the traction and climb out of it at an incline. Let's see some magic now. The front of the wheel bites onto the tread and just climbs out of the pit. Once more in slow-mo. You can see it's just biting onto the traction board and uses it like a ladder and just climbs out of the pit. As easy as that. So here they are, our lifesavers buried in the sand. It would be smart if you can attach a rope or a line to one of the ends and keep it outside, because if there was more sand, it's easy for you to bury this completely and keep searching for it. So a line at one end will help you pull it out. Now we are done. Just lock it on the top. So here it is. This is the pit and here's the ladder. We're done. Let's grab this one as well. So we're done. We live to fight another day. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any more doubts about these traction aids, let me know in the comments below and I will answer. Bye bye.